Hey guys, so we have a bit of a situation here. All right, time to wash out this side first as I applied this side first, and we will see what it's looking like. So it definitely turned out orange. And guess what we're gonna tone with? I don't need to say it, do I? I'm just kidding. So what I have here is 2 boxes of Wella Color Charm T28 and 1 box of 7A, which is a medium ash blonde by Ion, inspired by nature. I'm a little scared because it looks like it's orange. It's supposed to be a natural blonde color. Oh, it actually looks kind of pretty. Oh. And I still have to do the root smudge. Guess we'll be back when you get to see it. Maybe I don't even need to do the root smudge. We're gonna dry it and we're gonna check it out. Be right back. It's time to rinse, guys. if you're wondering why I'm super pale. 1, I'm a little sick. 2, I have not tanned in months. It's driving me insane. It was my antidepressant. It was my peace and serenity. Anyway, let's wash this out and style it and see what it looks like. Okay, big reveal. Well, it's wet at least. It's gonna be a lot later. Now it's time to dry, style it up, and put a little bit of makeup on. See how we did. So I decided to switch to my orange same thing as using a round brush and a blow dryer, except quicker and it gives more volume. So we're gonna switch to this. And this is the completed look. I actually like it a lot. The money pieces did not come out the best, but I think it's adorable for an at-home haircut. I never thought that I would ever go this short ever again. Yeah, so I will list the hair products that I used in the description box. Let me show you the back. And for somebody who hasn't been in cosmetology school in probably over a decade, I think it turned out phenomenal.